All right, everyone, you need to wipe everything down. The Texas Department of Health and Human Services says that they are recording the highest number of whooping coughing cases this year than in the past 11 years. We're talking more than 3,500 cases. Now, this is a very infectious disease. The germs can spread easily between kids and adults. For adults and teens, this can lead to pneumonia. So with this increase in cases, doctors say the reason behind this is because of a decline in vaccinations. So please get your vaccines, wipe everything down, use hand sanitizer, and then if you're heading into the holidays, please, if you're feeling contagious, please stay to yourself.